Welcome to the Somali Bantu American podcast, a place where our voices, stories, culture, and experiences come together. I'm your host, Dada, and on this podcast, we'll explore the Somali Bantu American journey, from our history and traditions to life in America, community achievements, music, culture, education.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my new podcast. I am honestly surprised and deeply troubled to see how digital spaces are being weaponized to create division among us. It's shocking to witness the deliberate machinery at work, trying to manufacture conflicts where our strong community bonds should be the foundation. Your perspective on this is incredibly vital. I completely agree that the call for intervention by elders is exactly the grounded approach needed to counteract this modern digital manipulation. When we recognize that much of the provocative online content is mere propaganda and not the genuine voice of our people, we take the first important step toward disarming these tactics. If you're interested in responding to this situation or helping to dismantle these harmful narratives, I suggest we focus on what truly unites us. My and Zigua are family, sharing the same religion, country, and similar cultural values. Trying to define one group as this and the other as that won't get us anywhere. Cooperation and collaboration, as we have always done, are essential. If we continue down this divisive path, we all know the painful consequences that lie ahead. Family and friends torn apart. Let's work together to preserve the unity that our community deserves.
Welcome to the Somali Bantu American podcast, a place where our voices, stories, culture, and experiences come together. I'm your host, Dada, and on this podcast, we'll explore the Somali Bantu American journey, from our history and traditions to life in America, community achievements, music, culture, education, and the issues that matter to our people. We'll also sit down with inspiring guests, community leaders, artists, entrepreneurs, and everyday people who have powerful stories to share. This is more than a podcast.